Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the plastics are poor conductors. Okay, so plastics are poor conductors of electricity and heat. Poor conductors of heat and electricity. That's why electrical wires have plastic covering. So that's why electrical wires are having plastic covering, and handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastics. Frying pan are also made up of plastics, because of plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. And today, now I am going to discuss about the plastics and the environment. Plastics and the environment. The next topic is plastics and environment. Plastics and the environment. So next topic, plastics and the environment. For suppose, if we go to the market, we usually get things wrapped in plastic. Generally, if we go to the market, means we usually get the things wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. They are wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. That is one reason why plastics waste keeps getting accumulated in our homes. In our homes, plastic waste keeps getting accumulated in our homes because of in the market we are bringing the plastic material, polythene bags. Some items will be packed in the polythene bags. So in our home, plastic waste material will be there due to that reason. Ultimately, plastic finds its way to the garbage disposal of plastic is a major problem. Why plastic is a major problem? Because of two types is there. A material which get decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is termed as non-biodegradable. So plastics we can divide it into two, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable plastics is biodegradable material, a material which get decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria. By the action of the bacteria, it will be decomposed, means that is called biodegradable plastics. And what is the non-biodegradable? A material which non easily decomposed by natural process. Any material, if any material is decomposed by bacteria, means that is a biodegradable. If any material which is not easily decomposed by natural process, that means by bacteria, is known as non-biodegradable. Okay, here biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable. How can you define the biodegradable? A material which gets decomposed, a material which gets decomposed through natural process, a material which gets decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria, such as action by bacteria, is called biodegradable. Okay, so what is the biodegradable? A material which gets decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. Next one is a non-biodegradable. biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. What is a non-biodegradable? A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is known as non-biodegradable. So what is a non-biodegradable? A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is known as non-biodegradable. So one is a biodegradable and a non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means a material which gets decomposed by bacteria is called biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means a material which is not easily decomposed by natural process, that is called non-biodegradable.